Hello friends, today I'm here with another recipe called Moong Dal Paratha. You'll need some cooking oil, we're using sunflower oil, some boiled mashed split yellow moong dal, 4 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 cup water, a bunch full of freshly chopped coriander leaves, asafoetida powder, also known as hing, plain yogurt, a fresh garlic, ginger and chili paste, carom seeds, sesame seeds, dry mango powder, also known as amchur, dry fenugreek leaves, also known as kasturi methi, ghee, also known as clarified butter. Not to forget my mum's special spice box. Now we're going to make the dough by mixing all the ingredients for our paratha. We're going to start by adding our dal and our flour, and then add our yogurt along with our dry mango powder. And then we're going to add our coriander leaves, our asafoetida powder, our garlic, ginger and chili paste, carom seeds, sesame seeds and fenugreek leaves. Then we're going to add some oil, with salt, coriander powder and turmeric. Now we're going to mix it well. Now that we've mixed everything, we're going to add a little bit of water to make a soft and smooth dough. This is going to be serving a family of 4, so you can adjust your ingredients as per your needs. Now that it's been a good 20 minutes, we're going to start making our parathas. For that, we'll need to first get a small bit of our dough and make it into a bowl. Then we're going to gently press it down and cover it with dry flour and roll it out. Now that we've rolled it out, we're going to apply some ghee and dust it with some flour. Then we're going to fold it as if you're making a paper fan. And then we're going to roll it. Then we're going to roll it out again. Now that it is nicely rolled, we're going to cook it on a pan. Let it cook on one side for a few seconds. Now we're going to flip it and let it cook for another few seconds. Now let's apply some ghee so that both sides are cooked nicely. Once it is fully cooked, You can take any kitchen cloth and place your paratha in there. And then you're going to crush it a little bit. And then it's time for plating. So this is how our final paratha looks. And you can see all the separate layers inside. I hope you guys try this out and enjoy like we are going to.